Now, your Chris 6 weather forecast with Chief Meteorologist Dale Nelson.
Hi everybody, welcome back. Well, we had a hot, steamy day, as Katya mentioned earlier. We did have a couple showers around the city on the near south side around noon today. 0.05 of an inch officially, that was it. We've had nearly 3 inches for June and over 10 inches for the year. And our deficit for the year is barely noticeable. And for the first time in nearly a year, we're not in a drought anymore here in the Coastal Bend. Take a look at this. We're out of it. This is today's drought monitor. And we're out of the drought and much of the watershed back out here to the west too. So good for our water supply, good for our farmers and ranchers, good for everybody. And things looking up with the exception of this coastal flood advisory, higher than normal water on area beaches through the time period into early next week until Cristobal makes landfall in Louisiana. That'll happen on Monday. So again, watch out for that and the rip current risk that goes along with it. But outside of that, not bad. There's the showers that went through today. Again, very isolated to stray in nature, didn't last very long. And again, officially 0.05 of an inch. Nobody else officially recorded anything at the reporting stations. There was a pretty heavy shower though on the Nueces-Clayburgh County line northeast of Kingsville right there. They probably had close to a 1/2 inch of rain. 86 right now. It's quiet outside throughout the region and a nice night with the temperatures dropping into the upper 70s by midnight. The only problem is we've got mosquitoes, a lot of them, and they're on attack right now. With the winds decreasing, they'll be able to fly around pretty easily tonight with these light winds and the clear skies in the near Strawberry full moon, which will take place tomorrow night. So nearly full tonight. Future clouds and rain, not much in the morning. Again, just a lonely shower in the afternoon. We'll call it a hot, dry day. And the same here on Saturday, headed into the weekend, being on the dry side of a tropical system to our east named Cristobal. Quiet start in 75, 86, warm and steamy at noon, and sweltering and sunshine at 5 p.m. tomorrow with a high of 90 degrees here, 91 for Sinton, and 94 up in Beeville with 95 in Falfurrias. Here's a look at the tropical satellite. You can see all the moisture with Cristobal north and east of the center of circulation all the way over into Florida. We're not seeing much of anything as this system is over land right now and will continue to track off to the north. Once it reemerges back in the south central Gulf, it will regenerate into a tropical storm, but now just a depression with the winds right now at 35 miles an hour. And again, this system is going to pull out of here and loop around through the Yucatan tonight, and by tomorrow evening we'll be back in the Gulf of Mexico and on into Saturday, working through the central Gulf towards the coast of Louisiana late Sunday night and Monday. All of the computer models, or the majority of them, take it into Louisiana or even now to the right into the Florida Panhandle and around Mobile, Alabama. We're left high and dry because of this high pressure system that's dominating, and lows going right up the edge of it between a high to the east and a high to the west. And this is the dominating factor in our weather. Notice the high moves over the low, so that gives it a little jog to the northwest, but not until it makes landfall in Louisiana. So no problem, no worries there. Heaviest rain north and east of the center of circulation. Even in Lafayette, Louisiana, may only get a couple inches of rain out of this. We're not going to get hardly anything at all. 90, we'll get a lot of heat. 93 on Saturday, 95 Sunday, 99 on Monday. Boy, and the heat index is going to be deplorable and dangerous. 105 to 115 starting tomorrow through Wednesday of next week. Lee?